Guys, today I'm going to show you how to purchase CapCut Pro. So for that, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Now I am going to open the app. Okay, so after opening the app, there will be option of Pro. Choose the Pro option. So here you can see the billing amount are showing. So I can pay monthly, yearly, or for 1 year, for 1 month. I can pay this amount. Also, in the downward, there are gift cards. You can buy some gift cards as well. Also, there are more features or benefits they are available in the downwards. You can see what you will be getting when you will be using the pro version. So I'm going to buy the monthly package. So after choosing the monthly package, press purchase and subscribe. By this way, you can purchase CapCut Pro. Thank you for watching the video.